streets where the lamplight glowed. Rain kissed my shoulders as the night wind flowed. But every skyline, every crowded square felt hollow until I found you there.
I crossed the oceans where the salt air clings, heard temple bells and the choir that sings. But every wonder, every star I knew was waiting for the moment I saw you.
Every road I traveled
led me near, every sky I crossed brought me here. Through the laughter, through the pain, through the sky so blue,
I found my peace, I found my love in you. I found my love in you.
I found my love in you.
We danced beneath the northern lights, green flame. Your laughter echoed, I called your name.
The cold night air, the fire's glow made me realize I'd never let you go. We tasted wine where the vineyards climb, heard desert winds sing ancient rhyme. The world is wide, but I've come to see its sweetest song is you with me. Every road I wandered felt alone, till your love turned the journey into home. Through the silence, through the crowd, through the sky so blue, I found my peace, I found my love in you.
I found my love in you. I found my love in you. I thought the miles would never end,
But every mile was leading to a friend.
I thought the world was all I need,
But love's the compass, love's the creed.
now every journey makes sense. Love is the map that guides us hence.
The morning sun paints the mountains gold.
The evening stars tell stories old.
Hand in hand, wherever we roam, we found our happiness,
We found our home.
every road we've traveled, every sky we've crossed, led us to the love we thought we'd lost.
Through the joy, through the pain, through the sky so blue, I found my peace, I found my love in you. I found my love in you.
Wake up to the rhythm of a brand new day. Shake off the shadows, let the light lead the way. Every heart beats a drum, every breath is a flame. You've got one wild life, don't let it go tame. No rewind, no second take, this is the moment you get to make. So live like the sun, burning bright and free. Dance through the storm, chase your destiny. Laugh till it hurts, love without fear. Make every second Let joy be the path you follow. Climb every mountain, dive into the sky. Don't wait for perfect, just dare to try. Scars tell stories, tears make you strong. You're the writer, so sing your song. No regrets, no looking back. You're on the edge, don't hold back. So live like the sun, burning bright and free. Dance through the storm, chase your destiny. Laugh till it hurts, love without fear. Make every second crystal clear. Live like there's no tomorrow. Let joy be the path you follow. Time's a whisper, a fleeting spark. So light up the world, leave your mark. You're a miracle, a blazing fire. Fuel your soul with fierce desire. So live like the sun, burning bright and free. Dance through the storm, chase your destiny. Laugh till it hurts, love without fear. Make every second crystal clear. Live like there's no tomorrow. Let joy be the path you follow. Live like there's no tomorrow. Let joy be the path you follow.
The call of the road. I watched the sunrise paint the desert red. Felt the cool night winds where the mountains spread. Neon signs flicker in a roadside town, and the highway hum keeps pulling me down. Joy and solitude, I've shared a laugh in a smoky bar. Heard old guitars under western stars. But I've also found peace in the quiet rain, where the wheels keep turning and I feel no chain. This is my life on the road, where the wheels keep turning and the stories unfold. I've seen the stillness, I felt the crowd. I've lived my truth where the sky is loud. I wouldn't trade it, wouldn't change the code, 'cause my soul belongs to life on the road. Reflection on settled life. Some folks build fences, plant roots in the ground, raise their children where the church bells sound. But I was born restless, I was born to roam, and the highway's the only place I call home. I've broken down on a lonesome lane, cursed the engine, cursed the rain. But I've also found joy in the open sky, where the freedom's worth every tear I cry. This is my life on the road, where the wheels keep turning and the stories unfold. I've seen the stillness, I felt the crowd. I've lived my truth where the sky is loud. I wouldn't trade it, wouldn't change the code, 'cause my soul belongs to life on the road. Yeah. Road's my teacher, the mile's my song. It showed me where I belong. I've learned that joy and pain both stay seen the stillness, I felt the crowd. I've lived my truth where the sky is loud. I wouldn't trade it, wouldn't change the code, 'cause my soul belongs to life on the road. So when the night falls and the headlights glow, I'll keep on chasing that endless road. It's the only life I've ever known, and I wouldn't want to live it any other way. Wake up, shake off the shade. Sunrise spilling gold on my parade. No map, no plan, just rhythm in my shoes. I'm chasing joy, got nothing to lose. Every heartbeat's a drum, every step's a spark. I'm lighting up the dark with a groove that's just begun. I'm dancing through life, no fear in my stride. Hands to the sky, let the music decide. Spin like a story, jump like a flame. Every move I make's got a name. Freedom, fire, soul deep desire. I'm dancing through life, lifting higher and higher. Crowds blur, but I'm crystal clear. Every beat's a whisper in my ear. No past, no way, just neon in my veins. I'm alive in the rhythm, breaking chains. Every heartbeat's a drum, every step's a spark. I'm lighting up the dark with a groove that's just begun. I'm dancing through life, no fear in my stride. Hands to the sky, let the music decide. Spin like a story, jump like a flame. Every move I make's got a name. Freedom, fire, soul deep desire. I'm dancing through life, lifting higher and higher. Let the bassline carry me through every twist and turn. I'm not just living, I'm burning with every beat I earn. I'm dancing through life, no fear in my stride. Hands to the sky, let the music decide. Spin like a story, jump like a flame. Every move I make's got a name. Freedom, fire, soul deep desire. I'm dancing through life, lifting higher and higher.
Ooh, we light it up. Light it up like neon in the dark. Love and less, no rules, just sparks.
She walks in heat, waving heels, eyes like danger, lips like thrills. I'm caught in a rhythm, no escape. She's fire wrapped in velvet and bass.
He moves like he owns the night. Pulses sync, hearts collide. I'm drawn to the trouble in his smile. One look and I'm wild for a while.
Touch like lightning, breath like flame. We're burning brighter, no shame, no name.
We got that electric fever, dancing close, hearts beat deeper. Love and lust in stereo. chase.
She whispers like a melody. Every word rewrites my gravity. I'm floating, spinning, out of time. She's the rhythm, I'm the rhyme.
He's danger wrapped in velvet sound. Every move shakes the ground. I'm addicted to the way he plays. We're dancing through a lustful haze. No tomorrow, just tonight. Bodies tangled in the light. Let the music be our sin. Let the fever pull us in. We got that electric fever. Dancing close, hearts beat deeper. Loving less than stereo. Let the rhythm take control. We got that electric fever. Can't cool down, can't get cleaner. One more hit, one more taste. We're lost in the heat we chase. We got that electric fever. Can't cool down, can't get cleaner. One more hit, one more taste. We're lost in the heat we chase. So way, so fast. So I'm living in the right now. Feet on the ground, heart unbound. Laughing at the rain, crying when it's loud. Finding joy in the quiet, peace in the sound. I'm not waiting for someday. I've got everything I need today. Right here, right now. Old songs on vinyl, dancing in the kitchen. A smile from a stranger, love in repetition.